Learning to swim is a life skill every parent wants for their child. The swim school you choose and teaching methods they use are important to understand as they vary and can affect your child's relationship with the water. Why is the Puddle Ducks guided learning approach the best way for your child to learn to swim? We set the environment for success. From arriving poolside, you are expertly guided through your lesson. Every activity is designed with your child's stage of development in mind and is taught in such a way that you, the parent carer, are learning how to nurture your child's water confidence. Guided learning broadly refers to playful educational activities which, although gently steered by an adult, give children the freedom to explore a learning goal in their own way. This approach leads them through positive pathways and builds progression. It helps children develop problem solving and communication skills as well as promoting creativity and imagination. Our guided learning approach is continually developed by leading baby and preschool swimming experts, and we are at the forefront of child-led swimming in the UK. What does it look like? It's about choice. We use signals positively encouraging them to try an activity, and then they choose whether they are ready to complete it. Through repetition in a class environment, every child finds the motivation to complete activities that move them forward through their swimming journey. It's about positive pathways. Our fun learning environment teaches skills that positively enhance yours and your child's lives, making exercise part of the routine, improving your time together as a family from bath time to family holidays, and learning transferable safety skills that can be used in and out of the pool. Our teaching techniques enable you to guide and support your child. We will help you understand how we structure activities to build up those essential swimming skills. The Puddle Ducks Learn to Swim journey achieves progression in a nurturing way that leads to increased water confidence and ultimately impressive swimmers at an early age.